feel like this is a one-shot deal here. You guys ever get a ridiculous idea and it's a huge waste of time, but you just can't help yourself to try to build it? Welcome back to Farmstead Forge. So I have this tiny little jeweler's anvil. Actually has a really cool story behind it. And then I'm always thought it would be fun to have a little bitty set of tongs hanging on the horn of it, just for fun. I'm going to try to build it all on my stake anvil here, which also has a pretty cool story. But maybe we'll save that for another video. If you guys want to hear about my anvil collection, just let me know. So we're going to try to forge them all on this on my square horn. And it is the smallest thing I've ever forged, so see how it goes. I'm also going to use my little baby ball peen. Get rid of my heads. The fun part about this stuff is it cools off so quick. Oh, I got my first step. I should have cut those things back farther so I didn't have the little grabbies from the nail. That's okay, it'll forge out. I had to move all my stuff around because my lights are all dying in my shop, so no cool power hammer backdrop today. Number 2. Very ginger. Very ginger. Remember not to get smash your boss. Twisting. I have to fix that just a little bit. Just gotta fix this guy a little bit. Don't want to twist it off. Or drop my nail down the crack of the wood. That would suck. Dress that up in just a minute. This is going to be a multiple heats affair. We're gaining, looking like a baby tong. Go about that far on the other guy. No, come back. More heat. Thing just keeps wanting to twist all over the road. Should draw these out on the horn, but I don't know if I could keep control of the things. Stay there. So tiny. Can't have my rein bigger than my boss, or we're gonna get binding issues. Almost there. It's like all tongs, you want to make sure you're getting everything the same size. I think I'm pretty good. Let's extinguish this boss. gotta hem my edge very gingerly. I want that sharp rain cutting into my fingers. Now we got to cut these guys off. Where's my, oh, there it is. It's tucked in my ear. These are getting hard to deal with, hard to hold. There. Now, how to cut them, since we're doing ridiculous things. These guys should do the trick. Oh, that was a tough cut. What did I do with my other one? There it is. There it is. I can't see my mark. Oh, come on now. This one's being stubborn. There we go. Look how nice and clean that guy is, though. There we go. Maybe if I just punch her down a little bit, it'll give me the punched look. Now I gotta do this one about the same. Now I gotta drill these things. So this one is a 5/54. I wish I had a 1/16, but it's been broken. A little bigger than that, like. Hopefully it'll fit in the drill. Oh yes. Oh yes. Alright. Very ginger so I don't break it. Whoops. Come here now. It's catching in my center punch. There we go. That little tiny guy. It's a bigger rivet than I like to use. But beggars can't be choosers. Now, like always, gots to clean up your hinge points. Don't want to bind you. Now, I gotta find a rivet. They look like they're gonna clear though, so I shouldn't have to file anymore. Too big. One's too loose. One's better. It's a little looser than I'd like. I'm afraid it's gonna mushroom down in there. Oh, it's the finish nail. I think that's the closest thing I got. Goldilocks says that one's just right. One jaw is bigger than the other, much like my everyday tongs. Alright, I feel like this is a one-shot deal here. Get all my things ready. That's hot. Trying to hold those things. I might just have to pinch them together for a minute. Ah! Silly tongs. All right. Heat them up and adjust them. Where? There it is. There it is. Here's my things. I'm gonna strike it with my pliers. What size should we size them for, guys? How about the width of a diamond? That sounds good. That seems like a good reference. There we go. I can hammer a dime if I want to. One jaw is a little off. Kind of thinking about cleaning those up on the belt sander, just so they don't look quite so horrid. Should have done a better job. a little cleanup on them. Look at how tiny those guys are. You can hang them right here. I kind of want to make a little hammer to put on here now. What do you guys think? Let me know if you think we should make one. They were a major challenge. You suppose these are the smallest hand-forged tongs in the world? I don't know. If they are, they probably won't be forever because somebody's always got to outdo you out there. Guys, if you want to watch me forge real tongs, usable tongs, you can check out my tong playlist on YouTube. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Give it a comment. Hit a like, hit a dislike, whatever. And keep it simple. We will catch you in the next one. Short here. I would like some French fries.